So as a homeowner, I bet you have hundreds of ideas that you could be doing for renovations around your place. So we got expert advice from 4 licensed contractors and renovation experts to share with you the types of renovations that do and don't add value to your home. Let's jump in. If adding resale value to your property is as important as you consider renovations, a swimming pool tops the list of sinkholes for your money. Unless you're installing it because you wish to enjoy it, a swimming pool is an impractical addition to the property. This is because they can cost anywhere between $10,000 to $100,000 to install, and you usually won't recoup that investment. And while you may enjoy a swimming pool, most buyers don't share your interests and thus won't see it adding value. Buyers are often more interested in having actual space, so they can decide what to do with it themselves. Extensive landscaping may also ward off potential buyers. As lovely as you think your property looks with all the amazing shrubbery, not everyone wants to devote their free time to upkeep of groomed walkways or expansive flower beds. They're more likely to view it as a burden or an extra expense if they need to hire a gardener to keep all this extensive landscaping looking fresh. Once upon a time, people dreamed of having wall-to-wall carpeting in their homes. Today, it's an investment that generally won't pay for itself. Installing extensive carpeting can be expensive, and it's likely that it won't boost your property's value. In fact, many buyers would actually consider this a liability, as they'd factor in the cost of replacing that carpeting with something that more suits their taste. People are much more conscious now of the chemicals and materials used in the manufacturing of carpets. Not to mention these carpets can hold allergens for years. So for those reasons, installing a hardwood floor may be a much more desirable choice. Now let's go over the renovations that will add value to your home. Mike Holmes, the contractor, says, anyone doing renovations should consider practical upgrades along with value-increasing changes. Anyone buying a home will often expect the furnace, air conditioning, plumbing, and electrical systems to be in good working order, so it's important to ensure that you address any deficiencies in your home systems. You can consider these investments as part of your home's regular maintenance, or use your renovation money to make sure they're in all working order. While this isn't the most fun upgrade, it can really add some value to your home and can be a cost-effective way to spend your renovation money. Bathrooms are second on the list of renovations that provide a return when you look to sell. Although you shouldn't compromise bedroom space to add a bathroom, look for the unused space in your home that could accommodate a 3-piece bathroom. If you add a bathroom with a toilet, sink, and shower to your home, it will noticeably increase that sale price. One bathroom tip: use glass walls for the shower and it will give the illusion of having more space in the bathroom. And while it may carry a 5-figure price tag to replace your bathtub tile, toilet, and other bathroom fixtures, you stand a great chance at making it all back at resale, plus more. The second top renovation that offers the best return when you sell your home is the kitchen. Home buyers assess kitchens and bathrooms first when they're considering a purchase. And kitchens today have become the central gathering places in homes. Open plan layouts place the kitchen at the center of activity and are highly valued by home buyers. The experts agree. The kitchen and bathroom are some of the highest value renovations that you can do before selling. So the key to getting the highest return on investment for your home improvements is to actually minimize the amount of money you spend. For example, do you really need to replace all the kitchen cabinets, or could a new paint job do the trick? Focus on basic upgrades that have a big impact. The renovation that will have the biggest payday is adding a separate suite. Whether you finish your basement and turn it into an apartment, or create one on a whole nother floor of the house, a separate suite will provide regular income that can offset your mortgage payments or pay for that winter getaway. The attic is another great place to consider a separate suite conversion. You can revamp it and turn it into a new bedroom, which adds terrific value to your home, sometimes earning you even more than what you spent on it. But if you're going to convert the attic, just make sure the attic insulation is properly installed first. And if you have any other questions about home improvement tips, make sure to check out these other guides and videos. So now I hope you feel fully equipped to make the right renovation choices. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.